video. Good YouTube content, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's like a bloody tea bag. 1,000 perforations. That's super fine art, that is fucking awesome. Okay. Brilliant.
Just fill up the water. Glare the glare.
Awesome. I've got, do you know those gamer chairs?
What are you doing?
They vibrate and they got sound and all that,
Oh, yeah.
you know, the gamer chairs they sit on like for playing games. Well, I took all the vibrating stuff out of an old one.
Did you?
Yeah, and what I've got a steel pot, like a dog bowl,
Yeah.
and I've glued them all around the sides,
Yeah.
and I've wired them up, and I've connected to a 12